All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with math. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to grade your math from last night. Okay? Okay, so we started talking about yesterday rounding and placeholders, right? I know you weren't here, so you have what I want you to do, Ariel. I want you to step out of the classroom while we grade this, and then you have a couple days to get the homework done from, okay? All right, so homework for last night. We had page number 10, section 7, 7A. You guys ready? Make sure you have a pen and not a pencil. Yes? Then hopefully you don't get anything wrong.
Can I just write darker again? And I can
No?
I'll take my eraser off.
All right. So we have section 7A. We have $1,808.22. 180.22. Letter B, $1,174.18. Letter C, $666.90, 90 cents. Letter D is 28, and letter E is 74. Any questions? Josiah. A and B. A is 1808.22. B is 1174.18. Yes. C is 666.90.
I didn't put the $28 count on C.
That's fine. Any other questions? All right, put the number wrong at the top near where it says review. Put the number wrong by where it says review. Okay. What do you got? Good job. What do you got? Minus 0? You get them all right? Okay. Good job. Good job. What do you get?
1.
Dude. Right there where it says review.
Yeah.
That's where you're supposed to put it.
Okay.
2? No, okay. All right. You're going to pick that mask up and throw it away, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my pen back. All right, so we got homework graded. Go ahead and close your books, get your desk cleared off. We're going to take another speed drill today. I know. We got one more speed drill left for this week, okay? After this week, we don't have more speed drills, but we do have your quiz coming up on Friday, okay? So if you're watching online, make sure you get ready for your speed drill. We did one yesterday, so I wanted to make sure that you know, do not do this one, do this one today, okay? All right, so we're going to be doing speed drill number 5, or speed drill for lesson 5. That's going to be on the lower right-hand side, because we did 4 yesterday. For most of you, this should be your only one left that's not filled out. But if you missed yesterday, it's going to be on the lower right-hand side, okay? And this one is over division. Okay? So, you guys are going to have 3 minutes to do this one in. 3 minutes. And you may begin. All right, time is up. Pencils down. Pencils down. Yes. Okay. Josiah, collect them, please. Do you have a question?
Yeah, if we're in the middle of one, do we finish it, or do we just stop right there?
What's that?
If we're in the middle of one, do we just finish it, or
You stop right there. Okay, so some of you, if you were here last year, you may have seen this before. If you were not here last year, this is probably going to be brand new to you, what we're covering today. Okay? So, what I want you guys to do is I want you to pay attention to the board. I don't want you to even open, do not open your books. Okay? Do not open your books. I want you to just look at the board. Okay? Okay, now, the next 2 days we're going to cover the same lesson, okay? This is called checking by casting out nines. Checking by casting out nines, okay? So what we're going to do here, there are 3 processes that we're going to check by casting out nines. We're going to check by casting out nines for addition, multiplication, and division. Now, it is possible to check subtraction by casting out nines. The problem with that is that it takes you so long, the process is so long to do, that it's just easier to add and check the normal way, okay? But this way, if you get it down, it's a lot faster to check this way than any other way that you know, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to have our addition problem. We're going to go through addition first, and then I'm going to give you some problems to do in addition. And then we're going to go over a little bit of multiplication, okay? But if you catch on with addition, multiplication and division are a lot easier to catch on, okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a normal addition process, and we're going to add everything up, okay? Boom, done, okay? All these numbers together, we get 17,831. Now, here's where the casting out nines comes in, okay? We're going to go row by row and get rid of every 9 or everything that adds up to B9. Okay? So for instance, let's look at this row right here. We have a 9. I want to cross that thing out. Okay? Does anything else in this row right here add up to B9? Okay, so I have 6 and 4, that's 10, doesn't add up. 4 and 2, that's 6, that doesn't add up. I got 2 and 6, that's 8, doesn't add up, right? Okay, so nothing else in this row adds up to B9. Now what I want to do is I want to add all these things up. I want to have 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay? Okay? Now I get 12, right? But I don't want a 2-digit number. So I'm going to add up the 1 and 2 again, and that's going to give me a 3. Okay? Follow along so far? Okay, now I have everything added up and ready to go. Okay, I'm going to go down to the next row. Does anything in the next row add up to equal 9? Gavin? 6 and 3. Okay. I could even go 3, 2, 4, or I could do 6 and 3. Okay. It doesn't matter how many numbers you use to add up to 9, as long as it adds up to 9, okay? And in this case, I used 3 of them, and it gives me just a 6 left, okay? Anything in this row add up to be 9? 8 and 1. Anything else? Viviana?
4 and 5.
4 and 5, okay? So that gives me a 0 left over right there, okay? Anything in this row add up to be 9? 6 and 3. Okay. Anything else? So I have 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay. Now I want to come down here. Any of these add up to be 9? 6 and 3. So I add everything up and I get a 2 right there, okay? So let's go to this row right here. Anything over here add up to be 9. Landon?
The 8 and the 1.
8 and 1. Okay. Anything else? No? Okay, so I add them up and I get 7 plus 3 is, plus 1 is 11. I have a 2-digit number. I don't want a 2-digit number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add those 2 digits together. Okay? And 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Okay? I got 2 right there and I got a 2 right here. Look at that. So if I get the same number for my answer here as I get for all these right here, that means that this is the correct answer. Okay? Now, let's practice this together, okay? So, I'm going to put it, open up your books, page number 12, page number 12. What we're going to do, we're going to do section 1A together, section 1A together. Okay. Now, we've already done addition, right? Right? We've already covered addition?
Yeah.
So let's just add all this up, okay? So we get 7 plus 9 is,
16.
plus 4 is,
20.
plus 2 is,
22.
22. 2 plus 2 is,
4.
plus 3,
7.
plus 5.
12.
What is it?
12.
Okay. 1 plus 3 is,
4.
plus 6,
10.
plus 1,
11.
plus 4.
15.
1 plus 4,
5.
plus 4,
9.
plus 7,
16.
plus 8. Okay. Write this answer down. And then we're going to do our casting out nines. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go row by row. Is there anything in this first row right here that adds up to B9? Emmeline?
2 and 7.
2 and 7. Okay? Anything else?
No.
No. Okay? So we're left with a 4 and a 3. We're going to add those together. What does that give us? 7. So we're going to put it off to the side. Okay? Let's go down to the next row. Anything add up to B9 or is 9? The number 9. Okay? Anything else? Nothing else. Okay? So we're going to add up everything else. We get 6 and 4 is? Plus 0 is? 10. Okay? But that's a 2-digit number. We don't want a 2-digit number. So what do? Add them together. What do we get? 1. Next row. Okay? Anything in that row add up to B9?
4, 3, 1.
Nope. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Kevin? Nothing adds up to B9, so we just have to add the whole row up, okay? So, 4 and 3 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. That gives us a 2-digit number, right? We hate 2-digit numbers. We don't want them here. So we're going to add it up, and what's that going to give us? 6. Okay? Anything down here add up to B9? Landon?
5 and 4.
5 and 4. Anything else? Nope. Okay. So we're going to add up our 8 and our 2, and that gives us 10. Another 2-digit number, an evil 2-digit number. We don't like those. What do?
Change it to
We add them together and we get a 1. Okay, anything up here add up to be 9?
Yes.
What? 7, 1, 1. Giving us a 6, right? Okay, so now we're going to come down here, all right? And we're going to add up all down here. Do we have anything that equals 9 down here? Adam, anything added up down here equal 9? 5, 2, and 2. Okay, I like where you're going with that. I like what you're thinking. Get rid of as many numbers as you can so you only have to add up a couple of numbers, right? So, does 2 and 4 equal 9? What's it equal? 6. Okay? We got 6 right there and we got 6 right here. Are those the same numbers? Okay? So our answer to this addition problem is going to be 24,522. Any questions on that? Okay? Now, on your own, I want you guys to do letter C. Letter C. Okay? Do letter C. If you're watching online, I'm going to change the screen to be a seatwork sign, seatwork screen. If you have any questions, you go ahead and type it in. Okay, so that problem right there, letter C. What did we get when we added everything up? What's our original sum? What's our original answer? Ariel?
29,776.
29,776, okay? And then when we did all of our casting out nines, what's that last number we ended up getting for casting out nines? The number that we needed to match up. What was that number?
4.
The number was a 4, okay? Everybody get that?
I got a point. So I got most of my answers before 5.
Because I said do letter C, not letter B. All right, so everybody good with addition casting out nines? Let's do one more for practice, and then I think we're going to be good for today. It's Wednesday, so there's no homework. Tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to go over multiplication casting out nines and division casting out nines. All right? And then also tomorrow, I may give out some homework. All right? So, what I want you guys to do right now is one letter E as in Edward. Letter E as in Edward. Do that problem. Do all the addition. Check my casting out nines. I'll be back up here in a second to check it with you guys. Make sure you guys get the right answers. If you have any questions, raise your hand. If you have any question online, go ahead and type it in, please. All right, let's go over that problem real quick. What is the answer we got for that problem? Adam? 2,589. And what's the number we got for casting out nines, Ariel? 6. You said you got it done, dude.
I got 8.
Okay. What I want you guys to do right now is I want you to work on section 5, A, B, and C. Review. Okay. It's not homework, but while we have some time left, I want you guys to work on these last 3 subtraction problems. Okay. So work on those. And when you're done, I will check them. All right. If you're watching online, I'm going to cut the feed right now.